Firstly, I sketched the heart on blank paper and then by placing the paper underneath, I transferred the pattern on fabric. After tracing the pattern of heart on fabric, I filled it in with the red fabric paint. Initially, I wanted to use the applique method to make the base of each organ by using the same colored fabric, but it is quite difficult to make it neat in first go, so I went with paint. It is way more quick and neat and more practical than using scrap fabrics for base. Then I took the silk thread and did stem stitch all the way around. It was quite challenging as the size of stem stitch should be very small to make it look neat and the boundary I was embroidering was quite huge. It's not looking promising now, but trust me, it was worth the hard work. Just trust the process. It took a while and I took my time and completed it. After painting and making the boundary, I took these red crystal beads and filled the oracle of heart with it, just to add 3D effect. But wasn't looking good at all. The white spaces between them were not giving, so I took them off. Then I took red thread and tried to fill it in. I also didn't like it, so I just stopped it there. I took these golden sequins and brown silk thread and tried to fill it in. It was also not very easy because the sequins are quite small and they have to be added one by one. But they passed the vibe check. And that's how it was looking. Then I randomly filled all the white spaces and that's how it turned out. Comment down below which one looks good, beads or sequins. And now I took this cotton thread and simply filled the airtine. It looks quite simple but it took a while because I had to make sure to make the stitches as close as possible because they don't look very neat when there are white spaces peeking through in between. And then some random stitches where I could see the fabric underneath. Then I used the same method to embroider pulmonary vein. And now I took golden glass beads to make the openings a little fancier. I made openings of pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, brachiocephalic trunk, common carotid artery and subclavian artery with same golden glass beads. And that's how it turned out. Then I took this golden coiled wire, probably called dabka, to make the border of all the openings. I took these straw beads to make the arteries on heart. It gave nice little 3D texture. Everything is slowly coming together. A lot of things didn't work well in the start. These were the easiest ones to work with till now. Firstly, because of their size, they were a lot easier and quicker to apply. And secondly, I got a hope that it started to look better. After making arteries with straw beads, I took the red cotton thread again to embroider the pulmonary vein. For the border, I did the same stem stitch and then filled it in with long short stitches. Just to add some more texture and detailing, I embroidered some more arteries but with cotton thread. Probably because it was lacking the minor details and I like to make myself suffer. After working on it for quite a while, I didn't even record it or took pictures of it. Then I took blue paint and painted the veins. It added a little pop of color. I wasn't sure if it's going to destroy the whole hard work or is it going to make it look better. Comment on below whether it was looking better before veins or after them. It was almost complete, but no way. I had to add something more that wasn't even noticeable. With golden thread, I did cane stitch around the boundary that I previously did with stem stitch and red cotton thread. But yes, it added a cute touch to it. What do you think about it? Comment down below and make sure to follow.